In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve the connection timed out error, code 403 in Cloudflare. This common error can often be quite frustrating since it typically indicates that access to your website or application has been denied. However, with a few well-placed adjustments, you can get things running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First, we need to start by checking Cloudflare security events. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the security section and click on Events. This is where you'll find a detailed log of all the requests that have been blocked by Cloudflare's protective measures. Go through these events carefully and identify if any requests are being incorrectly blocked. You're looking specifically for the rule or rules causing legitimate traffic to be turned away. This is crucial because understanding the specific rule that's triggering the block will guide you in adjusting your security settings effectively. Next, let's move on to reviewing your firewall rules. Navigate back to the Security tab and then explore both the WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall, as well as the more general Firewall Rules section. It's essential to scrutinize these rules because they define what kind of traffic is allowed and what isn't. Look for any rules that might be overly restrictive or mistakenly configured in a way that blocks necessary traffic. If you identify such a rule, don't hesitate to disable it or modify it to ensure legitimate requests are not being rejected. Being meticulous in reviewing these settings can help prevent unnecessary blocks without compromising the security of your website. Now, the third action step is whitelisting your IP address. By adding your IP address to Cloudflare's allow list, you're essentially telling Cloudflare that all traffic from your IP is safe. This action can be particularly useful if you're facing access issues from specific locations. Moreover, it's advisable to carry out a similar whitelisting process on your web server's firewall. This involves accessing your server configurations and adding your IP address to the firewall allow list there as well. Ensuring that your server recognizes your IP as trusted will further avert future issues. Implementing these steps should help you effectively manage and resolve the connection timed out error, code 403. Remember, while it's important to be cautious with security settings, being overly strict can impede legitimate access. Regularly reviewing logs and modifying firewall rules as needed will maintain a balance between security and accessibility. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a smoother experience for all legitimate users accessing your website. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.